Even when business is booming, your technology can struggle to keep up. It's enough to make anyone see red. But instead, look to green, the color that says your systems are taken care of. Your data is more secure from potential loss, breach, or theft, and help is at hand when needed. Green is the color of confidence from TeamLogic IT. Comprehensive, managed IT services that improve performance, reduce downtime, and increase security while positioning your business for the future. Whether you choose to outsource all of your IT needs or require supplementary support to assist your existing IT staff, you get access to Proactive IT with strategic evaluation, tactical planning, and implementation to provide flexibility and scalability of services such as cloud, data backup, email, mobility, and other IT projects. Preventative IT, remotely monitoring your systems and anticipating problems before they disrupt your operations. And responsive IT, highly skilled technicians available on-site and remotely to take action when a problem's identified. With TeamLogic IT, you can focus on growing your business without worrying about security threats or resources. Plus, increase productivity and enable your organization to flourish. Rely on green, the color of confidence, and discover a local IT partner with a national presence that you can trust to manage, secure, and sustain your IT infrastructure. TeamLogic IT. Contact us today to learn more.